Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are well and in good health. Today, we're going to understand why the YouTube team demonetizes channels. We'll explore this in detail. And if YouTubers follow the guidelines, they can be 100% successful. We'll look at the types of content that are commonly demonetized or restricted on YouTube, based on its advertiser-friendly content guidelines and community guidelines. Demonetization means ads won't run on your videos, which limits your revenue potential. 1. Violence and graphic content examples: real-life violence, fights, accidents, war footage, graphic injuries, surgeries, or animal cruelty. Excessive gore in gaming or fictional content. Why? Advertisers avoid associating with distressing imagery. 2. Adult or sexually suggestive content examples: nudity, partial nudity, or implied sexual activity. Sexually explicit language or clickbait thumbnails. Content focused on dating, adult toys, or fetishes. Exception: educational, artistic content, e.g. health tutorials, may avoid demonetization if contextualized. 3. Hate speech and harassment examples: promoting discrimination based on race, religion, gender, etc., bullying, doxing, or malicious pranks. Conspiracy theories targeting groups, individuals. Why? Violates YouTube's community guidelines and harms brand safety. 4. Controversial issues and sensitive events examples: videos about wars, terrorism, or tragedies without context. Polarizing topics like abortion, politics, or religious debates. Conspiracy theories, e.g., flat earth, anti-vaccine rhetoric. Tip: neutral, well-researched reporting might avoid demonetization. 5. Harmful or dangerous content examples: drug use, promotion, or manufacturing, including vaping. Dangerous challenges, e.g. Tide Pods, fire stunts, instructions for hacking, self-harm, or eating disorders. 6. Misinformation examples: false medical claims, e.g. COVID-19 cures. Election fraud conspiracies or climate change denial. Fake news presented as fact. Note: